Hey guys, this is Christina Zhang from University of California, San Diego. Today I'll be doing unboxing with Glime's exam prep. That's very exciting because I became Glime's campus rep during the summer and they actually sent me a box full of stuff. And here's a box that's very heavy. I bet there's a lot of good stuff in it. I opened it but I haven't taken a look at everything yet and we can do this together. But before that, of course, I prepared Clorox. That's for, it's important to always stay safe, clean everything. And let's get started. Okay, let's take out this piece of cardboard. Wow, that's indeed a lot of stuff. Okay, the first thing I see is this tote bag. It's over here. And it says, over 1 million CPA exam passed using Glime. Wow, that's amazing. And on the back it says, now it's your turn. I like this catchphrase. It's very motivational. And then I have this water bottle right here. It's very nice quality water bottle. It says Glime exam prep. I think it's to just remind you, stay hydrated during exam studies. It can be very tiring, you can get really tired, but always have your water. Okay, I'll obviously wipe this down. And then a couple of things, I can just introduce them together. So they have those cups over here, and it says Glime. It says Glime on it. And then they have those pens. Oh, oops. Those pens, and also as well as those pamphlets over here. I think those are very good for for events like Meet the Firms or career fair or even like small group sessions. It's always nice to put some of them on the desk to display and let people just take them to get more information about Glime. And unfortunately, due to COVID, we have those events virtually, but still, I'll just keep them and wait until the in-person begins, so we can actually have the Meet the Firms in the winter, so I can just use them to for display. Okay, and they also got those notepads. I love notepads. I literally use notepads every day for taking notes or set a reminder. And they actually got give you a lot of t-shirts. Right now I see 4 t-shirts, different color. That's very nice, and different design. Okay, the first one you see is this one says cost I said so. That's a very only accounting people know, I guess. It's very funny. And then they got this black one, says LIFO the party. Oh, I remember LIFO from my very first accounting class. We studied LIFO and FIFO. I always remember the principles. And then also this one just simply says Glime campus rep. That's what I need for the events, for Meet the Firms or career fair, to actually be a representative of Glime. And this one, it says Glime future CPA. Oh, I wish in a year or so I'll be studying for the CPA exam, and I really hope that I could become a future CPA. That's my goal right now. And I guess, and then they also give you those masks, face masks for COVID. That's very thoughtful. They actually make those Glime exam prep face masks to help you to stay safe. And those pop sockets, I have never actually used one before, but I will definitely start using this one. And it says, be all that you can be. That's funny because I I really want to do audit in the future, so this is like just for me, I guess. And then I see those. Oh, they give you this letter for the campus reps. Wow, it really shows like Gleim really cares about its people, no matter it's the campus reps or staff. And in the end of the letter, it says, "Stay safe and well." I hope you're all staying safe and well at this time. Okay, and I literally cannot believe the last two items I'm gonna show you, because I can't believe Gleim is doing this for the campus wraps, because they're giving you the actual study material. And there's not just one of them, there's, oh, this one's heavy. They have two of them. Wow. And this one is Auditing and Systems. And this is 21st edition. And this one is the 30th edition of Federal Tax. I would 100% need those books while I study for the CPA exam. And then this says questions, exam questions and explanations. Let me just take a quick look. Yeah, this is just like the one I personally bought for my CMA Certified Management Accountant book I bought from Gleim, and then the formats are like pretty similar because you know they have questions on this side, and then even like the thing I like about Gleim is that they actually have really good explanations. Sometimes you get a question wrong, but you don't know why, and there's no one you can ask. But like I would never have, you know, questions on the exam questions when using Gleim because the explanations are so well written. So I just suddenly just understand everything after reading the explanation. I think Gleim's doing really good on that. And yeah, and for this one, also exam questions and explanations. Thank you, Gleim. Okay, and I think that's the unboxing. Now I'll show you the. It's all empty, and I'll sure be washing my hands afterwards. And yeah, so that's it. So thank you, Gleim, for sending me all those good stuff. And thank you guys for watching.